At MCHS, we offer many courses that help form an idea as to what students may want to do in the future. A great opportunity to see everything our school has to offer is our annual open house.
It's a good experience for me as a student teacher to come see what an open house is like, and it's really fun seeing, hopping into all the different classrooms and seeing all the different programs here.
I wanted to see what other courses had to offer, such as foods, fashions. I just wanted to see what they were about rather than what I'm within and what courses I'm enrolled with. So next year, maybe I could think about changing.
Because I wanted an in-depth tour of the school.
Having so many different courses makes it easy for people to find their calling or learn new things.
I just love everything to do with the shop. There's diverse options and different techniques you can use to accomplish.
Computer sciences and media classes that Mr. P does, that stuff's really interesting to learn about and see what all the students are making in there.
I really do like the MCTV program. I think it's a very good gateway program to a lot of university courses. I also think that it's a very fun course, especially with how Mr. Badasang teaches it. And overall, it's just a very open course.
Attending our school's open house allows people to learn what kind of community we have and get to experience our school's facilities and everything it has to offer.
I think generally I'm impressed, especially with the new CTS renovations. I think that the CTS area is phenomenal looking right now, especially with the Learning Commons area. But yeah, I'm really impressed with our school.
It's a really cool environment that I've seen so far. Everyone's super friendly and they have lots of cool programs.
Students should come here because it's a very understanding school. I think the school is very flexible with circumstances. Like your courses, I've gotten all of my courses, I've gotten my options courses. It's a very good school for just getting what you need.
Very impressed so far, yeah. I'm looking forward to doing some teaching here.
Reporting for MCTV News, Haley Sweet.